What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. As you can tell, we're not really in Arizona anymore. It's kind of weird and kind of depressing at the same time, but yeah, we're in Georgia right now. I'm here for S Bullock, for some of you who know what that is. For those that don't, it's basically, I'm in the Army. I'm a second lieutenant in the Army right now, and I'm here to basically learn my job in the Army. But as you can see, I did bring the 335. I brought her. I told you I wasn't gonna bring her, but so many people that I asked are like, why wouldn't you bring that car? Like, why would you not take the car with you? And to be honest with you, like, they were right, but at the same time, it's like, damn, man, I just put 3,000 miles on her. So it's a little weird. But yeah, I did bring her. I think it was a good choice because now I can like go to car meets and stuff on the weekend. I know this weekend's a 4-day weekend, so I don't really have anything to do but kind of go drive and, you know, see what there is around Georgia, see what kind of car stuff there is around here. If you are in Georgia and you want to do some car stuff, let me know. Hit me up down here, wherever, on the Instagrams. It's Chumpes N54. Hit me up and we'll get together and obviously go for a cruise or something. I'm totally down. And I haven't washed her yet. I really do need to get her washed. Like, on camera, she might not look that bad. Oh no, she doesn't look too bad on camera. So on camera, she doesn't look too bad, but once you get a little closer, you can see some of the dirt marks and stuff like that. Plus, they salt the roads out here. I really don't want the car to get all rusted underneath, so I need to go ahead and get her to a self-service wash and spray her down and whatnot. But it's funny, because on camera, like this is the worst that I've let the car get. So in person, I'm like, oh my God, she looks terrible. On camera, she actually doesn't look too bad though. Not bad at all. When I did get to San Antonio though, I posted it up on my Instagram. I got to San Antonio and there was an ice storm, like right as I got there. I was so mad. We've seen warm weather in Arizona, like only seen warm weather. The cold starts were really cold to begin with when I first got here. And it was just weird. It was weird being in cold weather. I've never had the car tell me, hey, yo, it's 34 degrees outside. You know what I mean? So with that being said, anyways, we still got some daylight out. I'm gonna go get the car wash, bring you guys along. Yeah, I'm surprised that car actually, like, not surprised, obviously. It doesn't have that many miles on it, but like, no problems. The car made it all the way here from Arizona perfect, and with Maverick in the back. And with Maverick in the back seat. Funny thing about the car, actually, real quick, is that I had folded down the seats to put Maverick, build him a little bed in the back, and then I put all my suitcases and stuff on top of that, in the trunk and everything. I honestly think that this car has more room than the TL. Like, it's so surprising because the TL is a 4-door sedan, right? I think this car has more room in terms of like leaving stuff or moving stuff in the car. It's so strange. But anyways, all right, we're gonna head out to the car wash. I gotta find one first because I'm not from here. But yeah, we'll see you at the car wash. All right, y'all, so we just made it to the car wash. It took me a while to get here. I could not find one that was close to the base. So, not at least one that was self-service. But yeah, so about to start washing the car, giving it a bath. These are kind of the products that I'm using today. I bought my own little set of products just for me being here. Obviously, I got my my towels and stuff. Got these Griot's Garage, the waterless wash for the water spots, tire cleaner, some interior cleaner, just some simple stuff, leather cleaner, wheel cleaner too, because the car needs, yeah, it's bad. She bad. She don't probably look that bad on camera, but she bad. She bad. Anyways though, we'll get to spraying this baby down, and hopefully it looks a little better in a second. All right, so the car is all nice and clean. I wish I could, like, in detail, the before and after would like show up, but as you guys know, in camera it's not gonna show up that well because I showed you guys earlier. To me, she was dirty as hell, but like right now she's pretty clean. So if I could get this camera to focus, bam, there we go, look at that. So anyways, yep, she's all clean, good to go. Wiped her down. She might have a few water spots on her, but we can go ahead and get that with the waterless car wash. If any of you guys are wondering about that Meguiar's wheel cleaner, it's top notch. It is super top notch. Look at these wheels. Look at that. And remember, I drove this car 3,000 miles from Phoenix all the way here. Look at those wheels. So this is the bottle. I'll show you guys right here. This is the bottle of Meguiar's that I'm using. It's a non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. And it's really cool because if you guys put like wheel cleaner on your wheels, you kind of polish them and stuff like that, the stuff that's inside the Meguiar's bottle will actually start to turn brown and drip off the car. And you can kind of see that in person. It's super, super weird. But super good wheel cleaner. That's the one I'll be using from now on. Matt recommended that wheel cleaner to me, so good job, Matt. Good job, bro. Good. Phew, fist bumps for days. Anyways, though, so yeah, that's what she looks like. There is a car meet tonight down at a SunTrust parking garage bank. So what I'm thinking about doing is maybe headed back to base to drop my stuff off, get a quick bite to eat, and then roll out to that SunTrust bank just to see what cars are there, kind of fill out the scene, get some people in the vlog maybe who got some dope cars, and then we'll go from there, you know what I mean? So yeah, car's clean. Let's roll out to the base just to pack our stuff up in the hotel. Yeah, I'm staying in a hotel. Kind of sucks, but it's also kind of good, you know. Better than the barracks, that's for sure. But anyways, all right, go back to the hotel and then I'll see you guys at the meet. We just got back from eating some Zaxby's. It was all right. It was okay. It was better than I had last time, I'll tell you that. I had some in Louisiana on the way down here. It was okay. Like, it wasn't the best. But yeah, so this time it was pretty good. But now we headed off to the meet. We'll see what cars are out there. Let's see. If you're there, by the way, comment in this video. Obviously, you guys are gonna see me film, so just comment down below. This BMW right there. A lot of Mopar guys out here. A lot of Mopar guys out here. It's like some 370 over there. I want to run the Mopar guys. So I've been here for a minute. This is kind of the scene. Got that guy in the M5 over there, right next to me, sitting all pretty. There's a lot of Mopar guys out here. This is like a little tiny small meet. I guess this was an impromptu meet, so everybody just kind of came out. This guy has some big drag tires on his Mustang, so that thing must get down. Nothing too serious though. Nothing too serious. It's a small meet. Hopefully, like what I'm used to in Arizona compared to what I'm used to, like monoculture meets and stuff like that, y'all put on a great show. So like this kind of small, but hopefully while I'm here for the next 4 months, it'll get a little bigger. This is a dope like spot to take pictures and stuff though. So I might come out here and take some pictures and video and stuff like that of the car now that she's all cleaned up. But yeah, Matt would be picking on all these guys with the Chargers and Challengers over here. He'd be like, oh, you think you're fast? I'm faster. I know you, Matt. I know you. Anyways, though. So I'll probably stay out here for a little bit longer and then go back home. It's getting a little cold, a little chilly. End the video in a little bit. We'll see what happens. I'll stay here for a little bit longer. All right, y'all, I had to get the camera out for this one. This one's a crowd pleaser. Look at this. Had to get the camera out for this one. Look at the carbon weave. Damn. This thing is clean. Look at that. Damn. There's been some nice cars out here tonight. Some more guys pulled up. C63 over there. Civic Type R right over there. But damn, look at this thing. I figured all you Subi guys would like this car. Look at that shifter. Look at that shifter. Zach, if you got a Subi, this is the way you should do it. This right here is the way you should do your Subaru. Damn, man. Look at that. Make sure you go follow him. That's his Instagram right there. Super cool guy. I was talking to him earlier about his car. Damn, that's sick. Has a super sick car. Alright guys, so I'm back in the hotel room. I'm about to go to bed because it's late. It's like 12 here, even though it's only like 10 in Arizona time. Time difference is crazy. Numbers and math, y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyways, Carmi got kind of a little bit more busy near the end of the night. There's a Subaru that showed up. There were some other pretty nice cars that showed up. I think that Mustang with the big drag tires on it was making some serious power. Definitely know it was pro-charged, but other than that, I don't know too much about it. With that being said though, I hope you enjoyed the video. More to come, always more to come, as long as I have time to do car stuff, which I always do. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, comment, share it with your friends, and then subscribe to the channel. More content to come, guys. I'm going to bed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.